Hello, my name is Shakira Brown, and I am in your 8 o'clock class, and I'm going to explain how to name and write formulas of different ions, elements, etc. So first, I want to say how to name ions and write their formulas. First, to name, you have to determine if they're a cation or an anion, and then find the charge. And then the ending of the anion, you add I to it. So, for example, like carbon dioxide, and you add the ion at the end. So, like carbon dioxide ion. And then for the formula to find whether it's positive or negative, you have to write the number of anions or cations as a Roman numeral. So, like carbon parentheses 3 dashes and then parentheses. Next, molecules. For molecules, you have to know your prefixes, and to be able to find the formula, you have to write the element symbol for both of the elements and place a subscript after each element by its prefix. For acids, you have to write the prefixes and then use the stem, which is like the main word, and take off the ending and write ic at the end, so like IC. And this is excluding sulfur because sulfur is not included in this. And you have to use the common ion table. And the common prefixes to use as well is if it ends with 8, like sulfate, you change it to IC, so ic. Or if it ends with IN or IT, you change it to OUS. And for the formula, you have to write H and then use the stem to find it on the periodic table. And also balance the charges. And then to name and write the formulas of polyatomic ions. In order to name it, you have to name the metal, write the name of the polyatomic ion using the common table, and you have to find it on the periodic table to be able to do both. For transition metals, you have to write the name of the trans metal, and then write the name and the charge for the non-metal / poly ion, and then use the total charge of the non-metal to find the charge of the trans metal, and finally write the charge in Roman numerals. And that's all I have. Thank you.